Okay, well, let's cut. Who wants to cut the? Don't we have a cake cutter thing?
Okay, hold on.
Is that white chocolate good?
Where's
What?
our cake, Mom? Don't we have a cake?
Open the Play-Doh.
You know what?
Scooper?
Open the
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
What's it? Oh, here it is.
I want to
Is that what
open
that is?
it.
Yeah, it's like a pie cutter.
No, not
Oh,
now.
it's a pie server?
It's Keegan.
It looks her cake.
No, that's mine.
Darren?
You need to share with me.
She will.
Keegan,
share with you.
Baron, go sit down at the table,
She
please.
will share.
I'm hungry.
No, but still, just sit down for a second. Just sit. Okay?
Okay, Keegan gets to pick the first piece.
That piece.
Yeah.
I'm that one. Not that one.
Which one do you want, Keegan?
That one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay. Keegan gets to pick whatever one. Keegan, look at this. Do you know what that is?